Hey kids, today we'll learn to count backwards, 30 to 1.
Welcome to our counting adventure. Let's go.
30,
29,
28,
27,
26, 25,
24,
23,
22,
21,
20,
19,
18,
17,
16,
15,
14,
13,
12,
11,
10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2,
and here is our final number, 1. Great job counting down with us today.
We had so much fun today. If you loved learning with me, please click the subscribe button. See you next time. Bye-bye.